Okay, yesterday we focused on equivalent fractions and we just started using pictures. Well, today we're going to find an equivalent fraction, multiply the numerator and the denominator by the same multiplier. What I mean by multiplier is the number that we're multiplying by. Okay? So take 3/5, and I started this in class today when we were doing it. I showed them how to figure out equivalent fractions. Okay? So take 3/5 and multiply it by 2. Paul, what do you get? What fraction?
6. Are we doing both?
You do,
both of them?
yes.
Okay.
You multiply both the top and the bottom.
6 tenths.
6/10. Okay, and you can see here 3/5 times 2 equals 6/10. Okay, take 3/5. If you're multiplying that by 4, Michael, what do you got?
20.
For the bottom, how about the top? We're doing fractions. 12/20. Excellent. Okay, so you can multiply a fraction by any number. I can multiply by 3, by 4, by 5, by 6, and that'll be an equivalent fraction. I'm not sure how we get to. Okay, let's find equivalent fractions for the following fraction using 3 as the multiplier. Okay, so we're going to multiply each fraction by 3 to find its equivalent. McKenna, come on up. Pick up a pen. And if you can, I think the easiest way would be to show the top and bottom multiplying by 3. Okay, stand over here. Okay, back up please. Try this way. Maybe it will, that works a little better. Okay. Okay, so the bottom equals 15. And you could just write the answer. Okay.
Sometimes it works better than the thing.
Okay.
That's a 2.
Yes.
Well, that's what
Okay, so let's see if I can write this a little better. 4 times, yeah, 4 times 3.
Nick.
12.
And then 5 times 3.
So my fraction is what, Liam? 12/15. So we can say 4/5 is what? To 12/15. Liam. Equal to or equivalent. Okay, our keyword is equivalent. Oh.
Well, actually, that's how you did after you did what you want.
Equivalent. Equivalent means, everyone? Everyone.
Equal.
Equal. Okay. 7/8. Evgenia, come on up. Let's go nice and slow. Yeah, use the eraser. Use the smart board? The smart recorder?
Yeah.
In class, yes. I use it in my school.
Have you ever, it's okay, we all know what you're writing.
What are you writing?
Yeah, it's a good
please be sitting on the floor. You know this. Why did you go on the chairs, Paul?
Because on my leg.
No. You know you're supposed to be on the floor. A big mess. Here, I'll do it. What's 8 times 3?
Squiggly,
21, 24.
squiggle, squiggle, squiggly, squiggle, line, line, squiggle.
Okay. The next one, I'm just going to ask, I'm going to write it. D. 3/6 multiplied by 3 is what?
918.
Very good.
I think it just has a problem with not drawing off.
It doesn't like fast drawers.
And 6/9. Which Drew? Excuse me.
12.
We're multiplying by 3, honey.
Oh, by 3. And 27.
Good job. Someone knows his facts.
That's what I need 0.
18. All right. How would you make 2/3 equivalent to a fraction with a equivalent to a fraction with a denominator of 12? What did I do here to get to 12? Brian.
You did a times thing times 4?
Yep.
Yeah.
I multiply whatever I do to the bottom or whatever I do to the top, I have to do to the other. So, shh. Nick, what do I have to do to the top? Very good. Which is what? 2 times 4 is 2. No, let's not laugh. He needs to pay more attention. Okay? And it shows down here. What was 3 multiplied to get 12? Whenever you do to the top, you must do to the bottom, or vice versa. They multiplied by 4.
Yay, good numbers. Why is it not changing now?
How would you make 6/10 equivalent to a fraction with a numerator
Okay,
of 3?
click.
Uh-oh. Is that smaller or bigger? Nick Rabbit. Smaller. So now I have to do the opposite. Instead of multiplying, Cornelia, divide. So 6 divided by what equals 3?
Oh.
2. If I divide by 2, whatever I do to the top, yep, I have to do to the bottom. So, 10 divided by 2, Karina? 5. Excellent. Let's see if we're right. Because I had the pen up. Okay, so yeah, it's correct. It says divided by 4 there. That's a mistake, but we have the right answer. We know we did it right. Right, guys?
Yes.
And the last one, we have 3/4. What's 16ths? How many 16ths? Everyone. There probably should be like a, yeah, yes. Okay, so, everyone, what does equivalent mean?
Equal to.
Okay, excellent. And how can we find equivalent fractions, Drew?
By having them
No. McKenna? am I just going to multiply the bottom?
No.
I'm going to multiply whatever I do to the bottom.
You do to the top.
Whatever I do to the top.
You do to the bottom.
Very good. Give yourselves a thumbs up. Pat in the back. Nice job.